What is a Nextbase dash cam? It's like a smart home security device, but for your car. Cheap, no-name dash cams might check a box, but when it matters most, they fail. And after a crash, your vital evidence could be blurry, missing crucial detail, or worse, it could have never recorded. Ultimately, you get what you pay for. A Nextbase dash cam isn't just a camera, it's your protection. It protects the whole truth because people lie. There's no more he said, she said by capturing every moment in up to 4K resolution, day or night with unmatched clarity. It protects your car with smart parking features, keeping a watch even when you're not there. It also protects you with witness mode, letting you instantly notify and share a live feed to a trusted contact in case you feel unsafe. And in the worst case scenario, emergency SOS automatically calls for help and dispatches first responders to your location. Stay protected with a Nextbase dash cam.